what we need to do is write it in this formula, okay? And so, but in order to do that, we've got to pick out the slope out of here. So they want it parallel to this slope. So what does parallel mean? That means exactly the same. So this is really my m, this 4, and this is my x1, y1. Okay, and so then we have everything we need in order to do that. So it's going to look like y minus, what did I label y1? Negative 4 equals my m. Okay, well, I want parallel to that m. So what is my slope going to be? 4. Okay, so it's going to be 4x minus my x1. What is my x1? Negative 2. Okay, and then the only change that you're going to have to make from that is a minus makes what? A positive. Positive. Okay, so the minus, this right here is going to be a plus. And really this one right here is going to be a plus. It's no longer, there's no minuses left. Okay, so there's no minuses left. Mm-mm. Okay, look at number 3. We got x1, y1, and what is my m?
Oh, that's the answer.
Yep. What is my m?
Oh, your m is negative 1/2.
Negative 1/2. Okay, so it's going to look like y minus my y1. What's my y1? 5 equals, okay, they want parallel to my m. So what was my m?
Negative 1/2.
Negative 1/2. What should my new m be?
Negative 1/2.
Negative 1/2. Parallel means exactly the same. So negative 1/2, parenthesis, x minus, what is my x1? 2. Okay, and then we check, do we have any minuses?
Okay.
No, so this one is done.
Oh, okay. Please do.
Okay, look at number 5. I got x1, y1, and my m is 3/2. Okay, so it's going to look like y minus, what is my y1? Negative 2, so minus 2 equals, what is my m currently? 3/2, and I want parallel, so what's going to be my new slope? 3/2. X minus, what is my x1? Negative 4. Okay, do we have any minuses? Yeah, so then this one is going to become a positive, and this one's going to become a positive because it's also a minus. Okay, 7, I got x1, y1, and this is my m. Okay, so it's going to look like y minus, what is my y1? 2 equals my m. What's my m? 2/5. X minus, what is my x1? 5. Okay, are there any minuses? No, so then this one is done. Yes, sir.
What about the -3?
That's, so it gives us this, this random line in this point, and they're saying that they want another line, but that uses this point. So the 3 is on this line. We're making a whole nother one over here. So we don't do anything with that 3. Does that make sense? So you kind of just ignore it. Okay, number 9, I got x1, y1, and my m. So it's going to look like y minus my y1 is 3 equals my m. Again, I'm doing parallel. That's the only reason I'm keeping the m the same. X minus my x1 is 4. Okay, do we have any minuses?
No.
No. Hello. Huh?
Are you in the middle of your lesson?
Yeah.
I can wait.
You're good.
I just have a question. I'm trying to figure out, he's saying that he has to turn on the game.
Yeah, sixth grade, but I just did grades this morning.
I'm just trying to figure out, he's saying you did all of this and that you were bringing it, and I'm like, why do you have this paper?
I don't know, if it's on Skyward, I would have to pull up Skyward. If it says it's missing on Skyward, then it's missing. If not, he might have, when we did a makeup day, he might have had to sit up here and do it, and then he didn't have his old papers that he had completed.
Okay.
But the Skyward is like 100% correct for sixth grade, because they just did grades this morning. So. Okay, flip the page, look at number 11. So 11 is somewhat similar, okay? What is the difference? They say all perpendicular instead of parallel. Okay, so we're still gonna label x1, y1. And this is my current m is negative 7/4. Okay, that's my current m. Okay, so we're gonna say y minus, what is my y1? Negative 2 equals, okay, so my m, so per perpendicular you need to do two things. What are they?
Switch the sign.
Switch the sign, so if it's positive, it's gonna be a negative, if it's negative, it's gonna be positive, and then you have to flip it, okay? So, what is 7/4 flipped? 4/7, so my m is gonna be 4/7, okay? What is this one currently? Is he a positive or a negative? He's a negative, so my new one should be what?
Positive.
Positive, okay? So it's gonna be 4/7, x minus, what is my x1? Negative 5, okay, and again, we look, do we have any minuses? Yes, so we're gonna change that to a plus. Okay, so right here and right here should be a plus and a plus. Okay, 13, I'm gonna say x1, y1, and this is my m. Okay, so it's gonna look like y minus, what is my y1? Negative 3 equals, okay, my current m is 3/5, so what's it flipped gonna be? 5/3, okay, it is currently a negative or positive? It's a positive, so what should the new one be? A negative, okay, so a negative 5/3, x minus, what is my x1? It's just a positive 3. Okay, and then do we have any minuses?
Yes.
Yes, where?
At the beginning.
At the very beginning. So those are the ones that need changed. Okay, 15, I got x1, y1, and my m. Okay, so it's gonna look like y minus my y1 is 2 equals my m is currently 5/2. So what is it flipped? 2/5. And it's currently a positive, so my new one should be a negative. So a negative 2/5. X minus my x1 is negative 2. Okay, and again, that minus needs to become a positive, so right here should be a positive. Okay, 17. I got x1, y1, and my m. So I got y minus, my y1 is negative 3, equals, okay, 3/4, flipped. It's gonna be 4/3. It was a negative, so my new one should be a positive. Okay, x minus my x1 is negative 5. course, the lunch detention lady. Hey, happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday.
Thank you, he's not here. He's not here, actually, sorry. Okay, and then we're gonna change the minus minuses to a plus. So right here should be a plus, and right here should be a plus. Okay, 19, I got x1, y1 in my m. It's gonna look like y minus -4 equals a positive 2/5. Okay, we're gonna flip and change. X minus my x1 is -5. Okay, a couple things. First of all, if there's no number in front of an x, what number is it? A 1. So right here, when it says perp, it's really -1/1 x minus 4. Okay, that's really what this is. Y equals, okay? So when we flip and change, okay, and then you're gonna cross off number 16 because that's just a straight line, it has no slope.
That's